Hi, excuse me po. Pwede po kayong ma-interview po for school purposes lang po.
It's okay. Thank you so much po. Pero pati din na po tayo sa harap para meron masyadong hinihiling na.
So, meron po kaming prepare na 4 question po na sasagutin niyo po. So, question number 1.
Question number 1 po is, syempre, kailangan po namin malaman kung ano yung name mo.
Hi, I'm Christine Sembrang.
And pangalawa po, kung ilang taon ka na.
I'm 28 years old.
Thank you po. And next
And
question po is,
For third question, what do you like to do in your free time?
Since I'm a mom, I'm doing a house course, and then nag-aalaga sa baby ko, and then Netflix, play with my kids, yun lang po.
Sa last question naman po, what can you recommend to all the adolescents or teenagers out there on how to become a responsible adolescent prepared for adult life?
With that, ang may papayo ko lang is yung mag-aral kayo ng maayos, and then makakuha kayo ng magandang trabaho after nyo mag-aral, and then maging responsible kayo for being an anak kayo, tas papalitan nyo yung magpipayback kayo sa magulang nyo, and then gawin nyo yung mga tama, like huwag kayong gagawa ng kung alam nyong mali, and then magtrabaho lang kayo ng tama, and then yun na, magiging maayos na yung buhay nyo nun.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much po.
Hello, my name is Jake Onogie Garcia, and I'm from UMSL Paul, and thank you for accepting to answer our following questions. The question is, what is your name and how old are you?
I am Christian Jacinto, and my age is 19 years old.
What do you like to do in your free
I'd like to read a book, especially the psychological book titled 2005 PR.
kind of book is
It is a reference book for mental health professions. It helps us to know what statistical manual and mental disorders na meron ng ang isang tao or meron ng mga disorders.
For the fourth question is, what can you recommend to all the adolescents or teenager out of there on how to become a responsible adolescents, prepare for adult life?
My answer is that as a psychology student, no, gusto ko kayong encourage na maging intentional sa bawat desisyon niyo sa buhay. And here's my simple and yet meaningful advice para maging responsableng kabataan na handa sa adulting. First, you should know yourself. No, alamin mo kung sino ka, ano ang strengths mo, ano ang values mo, and self-awareness is the first step growth. No? Huwag mong i-base ang identity mo sa social media or sa sinasabi ng iba. And hindi porket uso, tama na agad. Alamin mo kung ano ang tama para sa iyo. Pangalawa, matutong tumanggap ng consequence. So, every choice has a result. Kung good man yan or bad man yan. No? And huwag matakot magkamali. Pero matututo sa pagkakamali. No? Owning your action is a sign of maturity. No? Ang pagiging responsable ay hindi lang pagperfecta, kundi para matuto kang panindigan ng mga binawa. And third is manage your time and emotions. No? Hindi lang ito para sa academics, kundi sa real life situations. No? Practice emotional regulation. Huwag agad magpadala sa galit o stress. Meron kami ginagawa sa psychology na tatlong step. First is breath, no? Pause and think. No? Hindi lahat ng laban pinapatulan. Minsan wisdom ang tunay na power. No? Pang-apat, surrender yourself with the right people. No? We need to choose our friends na itataas tayo, hindi ibababa tayo. No? Challenge you to be better and support your goals. Hindi lahat ng kasama ay kaibigan. No? Learn to say no sa toxic crowd. Pang-lima ay mag-set ng goals. hindi kailangan perfect agad. Pero start by setting small goals. Personal, academic, spiritual. This trains you to be focused and purpose driven. And lastly, we need to seek the guidance. No? Huwag matakot magtanong o humingi ng tulong. Whether sa family, sa kaibigan, sa mentor, sa counselor, or especially kay Lord. Guidance is always available if you are willing to listen. Adulting is not about age. It's about attitude. Kaya, start now habang bata ka pa. Your future self will thank you. Ang iiwan ko sa inyong quotation o um, mahalagang salita ay responsableng kabataan ngayon, maayos na kinabukasan. Yes.
That's